What type of trader are you? Which of the 4 different styles of trading is the best fit for you and your personality? In this video, we'll be going over the 4 different styles of trading and how you can see which is the best fit for you. Let's get into it. Welcome to Piece of the Pie with Ty. I'm Ty, and I appreciate you guys coming to check me out on my channel. If you like any of the content in this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and come back and see me. My channel is all about making sure people are aware of the different avenues that are out here to get a piece of the pie. Today, we'll be talking about the 4 different styles of trading. Traders can fall into 4 different styles, and based on the traders' personalities, some of these trading styles are better suited for certain traders. And if you are the type of trader that trades multiple styles, you can still classify each of your trades into one of these 4 styles. So let's get right into it. The first style of trading is scalping. Scalping is a very fast-paced trading style. Most of the time, a trader is going to get into a trade and is going to close out within seconds to minutes. The whole purpose of a scalp is to get in and get out quick, fast. Even if your position goes negative or positive, you have a set stop loss, and the goal is to get in and out if it goes up or down. That's the whole purpose of scalping. Scalping is best suited for traders that can make immediate decisions without hesitation because of its fast pace. Impatient people make the best scalpers because, again, scalpers are in it to get a result quickly. Even if the result is negative or positive, they get it pretty quickly. Being a successful scalper requires focus and concentration, and you can't be easily distracted because of its rapid pace. So if you are someone that can focus in on trading, scalping is for you. And if you want your results fast, scalping is for you. I will say the most profitable scalpers have a decent amount of capital that they are trading with. For example, if a scalper has $100,000 to scalp with, and they get into a trade and they put $100,000 into whatever company or stock, if that stock goes up in the next 2 minutes 1 to 2%, that trader just made $2,000, $1,000, that 1% off of that 100,000. So typically, people that are scalpers, they have a large bank. On to the second type. Second type is day trading. Day trading is when you open a position and close a position in the same day. The day trading style is more suitable for people that like to start and finish tasks on the same day. They are perfect for day trading. Many day traders would not consider swing or position trading because they're not a fan of the gapping that happens during the after hours while the stock market is closed. So a day trader will be uncomfortable if they were up $3,000 and then they gotta wait till the market opens up, and next thing you know, they're not up that same $3,000. Again, day traders too tend to have a decent amount of capital if they're closing it out the same day. And some trading accounts don't let you get in and out like that unless you have a certain amount of capital. The third type of trading is swing trading. Swing trading is when you hold a position for longer than a day, but not more than a week. Swing trading is for people that have a little patience and can wait for the trade to go in their favor. They still want to turn a profit quickly. Swing traders almost always hold a position overnight. So swing trading is not for people that feel shaky holding a position overnight. Swing trading also generally requires a larger stop loss because, again, you are swinging it. So during this swing, it could not go in your favor for a day or two and then start to turn around. So if you're a swing trader, you have to have the ability to stay calm. And the last trading style is position trading. Position trading is the longest term of them all, and it can go from months to years of holding a position. This style is suitable for the most patient of people because you can be waiting for a while to see a profit in your position. The targets on position trading are pretty high because, again, you're holding a position for years to months. You also have to be able to hold your position even when popular opinion is not in your favor with holding your position, because all types of news is gonna come out, and you have to hold your ground and not exit your trade just because popular opinion has changed, because a single position will go through both bull and bear market with position trading. So that was just a quick rundown on the 4 different types of trading, and I wanted to make a video on this because there are 4 different styles of trading, and all these styles are all about making a profit. So if you want to be on the more exciting part of things, being a day trader or swing trader or even scalper might be more exciting, because you're going to be constantly getting in and out of companies. You're going to constantly be looking for the next company after you ride it up and ride it down. Some people want to swing trade or day trade and get up to 30-40% and then they're out and they're going to look for a different one, or even 100% and look for a different one. Long-term trading or position trading is more so boring. It's on the boring side because you're going to be with the same companies and you're just going to be adding on to your positions over time. So to some traders, long-term investing is pretty boring. And again, it's just because you're not going to be constantly looking for a bunch of different things to hold for a long time. You're not going to be holding 40 or 50 different companies for a long period of time unless you have the capital to do so. Because if you have that many companies and you're holding them for a long time, unless you got a lot of money in them, you're not going to really see the result of each company, if that makes sense. Your portfolio won't really be invested into a position because you're so spread out, unless you have a large amount of capital, and you can do that then. And it's different types of emotions that go with each type of trading. The scalper has to make decisions right on hand. If you're not a quick decision maker, or if you don't even have access to your trading platform all times of the day at every moment, scalping might not be for you. And the same could be with day trading. If you're going to get in a position that day, you need to definitely be paying attention to the market and see when you need to exit. Opposed to something like a swing trade or a position trade, you're not as active on what's going on with your position because you're holding it for a longer duration. It's different styles for different people. Me, I'm a position trader. I'm long term because it suits my personality. Anybody that know me, I'm a very patient person, and it suits me being patient, and I can patiently wait and not really be stressed out about any of my positions because I'm long-term investing. But day trading and scalping and even swinging are profitable. All right, so just because I'm a long-term investor doesn't mean I don't like the other styles of trading, because some traders trade them all. I was just letting you guys know that. And for my newer traders, make sure you choose the best style for you. All right, if you're a person that is really patient, just do long-term investing. If you're a person that wants your profit quick and you can't wait 2 weeks, if a position goes down 2 weeks, it's bugging you and stressing you out, all right, long-term investing might not be for you. So you definitely got to know yourself to pick your trading style. Know what you're looking for with each trade. Is that trade going to be a quick scalp trade? Is that trade going to be a swing trade? Or are you going to hold it for the long term? For my people that's invested into all different styles, just know what each trade is supposed to do. When you get into it, know what you're going to do with it, because you can't just jump into the ocean if you don't know how far away the shore is. If you guys like the content in this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the page, and come back and see me. And please check the description is a link to the Facebook group where we discuss everything related to investing. I appreciate you guys checking me out in this video, and I appreciate the support. I really appreciate the support. Come back and see me. I got plenty more to talk about. Thanks.